Sarthak Educational Trust was founded by Dr. Jitendra Agrawal after he lost his central vision in the year 2004. It was born with the vision to give vision to the lives of many people with disability. People with disability have been the most discriminated and underprivileged group in the society. They constitute the majority of the minority groups. Sarthak works towards the empowerment of people with disability. We at Sarthak believe that a person with disability can be empowered by sowing the seeds of financial independence and the independence of making decisions for oneself. With the mission of creating employment for all, Sarthak has been successful in training 1,100 and placing 2,800 persons with disability. Sarthak has successfully organized 45 job fairs across the nation.
Sarthak vision is to empower persons with disability by giving them employment, and we believe in the principle of share. Whatever we have, we want to share with everybody on this earth.
अपने आप को वीक ना समझें, उनके जैसा समझें कि वो भी जैसे आगे बढ़े वैसे हम भी अब आगे बढ़े.
Our primary focus at Sarthak lies in the self-empowerment of people with disabilities and removing the disability barriers. Giving them employment is very crucial in helping them lead lives with dignity.
I am very happy कि मुझे यहाँ पे एक चांस मिला कुछ अपने आप को प्रूव करने का, लाइफ में ग्रो करने का, क्योंकि मैं कुछ कर सकती हूँ, मैं प्रूव कर सकती हूँ अपने आप को कि मैं भी किसी से पीछे नहीं हूँ.
They want only a stand where they can show their self.
सार्थक ने मुझे जॉब दिलाई, मैं थैंक्स करना चाहती हूँ. मेरे फैमिली, मम्मी पापा सब बहुत खुश हैं.
अभी मैं टेक महिंद्रा में एक ट्रेनर हूँ, सॉफ्ट स्किल ट्रेनर. तो वहाँ पे मुझे जॉब करके काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है और मैं सार्थक का बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि उन्होंने मेरे को इस मुकाम तक पहुँचाया है. और थैंक यू डॉक्टर साहब एंड थैंक यू सार्थक.
अगर यहाँ पे नहीं आएंगी तो आपसे गलती होगी.
We have programs run under three main branches, namely training, employment and advocacy. The training program can be of three types: basic training, corporate training and employability training.
It is always possible through efforts of all of us to convert this disability into some sort of ability, their weakness into strength, so that they can also get what other sections of society are getting.
We are actually giving an opportunity to people, they are differently abled people. They can handle the things very differently.
I would say accept your disability, accept the way we are. Because that's how we are and that's how we will continue to be. We can't give up living. We have to seek jobs and we have to be that finished products that companies would love to hire. So take it as a challenge to yourselves and to encourage job opportunities for others. Work well, live well.
The employability training program prepares the candidate before they walk their step into the corporate world. The corporate-linked training program in various sectors like hospitality, retail, hair and beauty, BPOs, and help the disabled confident of the place they are coming from. This is an ongoing journey for Sarthak and we are scaling up on the number ladder.
सार्थक वालों ने जॉब दिलाई, मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा और मुझे लगा कि मैं अपने पैरों पे खड़ा हो चुका हूँ, अब खुद अपनी जो है इच्छाएं पूरी कर सकता हूँ, जो भी मेरे मन में आए वो अपने लिए परचेज कर सकता हूँ, जो भी मेरा मन करे खा सकता हूँ।
They are being hired and they've been paid and they are also delivering. They are in par with any other regular employees.
They don't waste time gossiping, they don't come late. They think that if we make an excuse that we got delayed because certain reasons, then our state of being disabled may come against us.
Purely from a productivity standpoint, I think they have been some of the best.
I feel that, you know, this mindset has to shift from will they be able to work, but are we well equipped to handle them? Will we be able to incorporate them?
In the year 2013, Sarthak initiated a Smart Center with the support of Tech Mahindra and Tech Mahindra Foundation. Under advocacy, we organized roundtable conference to promote inclusive employment in different locations across the country.
पहले मुझे लगता था मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता, लेकिन आज मैं सेल्फ डिपेंड हूँ और इन सब का जो श्रेय जाता है वो सार्थक की टीम को जाता है। उन्होंने इस कदर हमें बनाया कि अपने को जो चीज़ मुश्किल समझते थे वो उसको हम आसान कर दिखा रहे हैं।
पहले जॉब मिली, जॉब के बाद शादी हुई, शादी के बाद बच्चा हुआ, फैमिली में इज्जत बढ़ी जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ सार्थक। जॉब के बाद मेरे फैमिली में काफ़ी रिस्पेक्ट बढ़ा बिकॉज ज़रूरी है कि आप कमाएं।
मैं फाइनेंशियली कॉन्फिडेंस हूँ और वैसे भी बहुत ही अंदर से खुश हूँ कि मैं आज इस लेवल पे हूँ कि अपने परिवार को खुद अकेला सपोर्ट कर पा रहा हूँ। आप आइए, इनसे जुड़िए और सीखिए कि आप अंदर से मजबूत है, बाहर से कैसे भी हो, अंदर से बहुत अच्छे हो।
किसी भी चीज़ फील्ड में हम कम नहीं हैं, फिजिकली हैं, मेंटली तो हम वीक नहीं हैं।
Our success is our motivation and our failures a new learning. Sustainable employment for people with disabilities is very high on our agenda. We want to shoot the numbers and come up with a concrete, measurable unit.
For disabled, I think this is a very right statement that don't fix us. We are not broken.
They are more committed and they will give you can rely on them.
They need an opportunity because they know that the opportunities are limited and they have to make the most of what they have. And therefore they're more focused, more driven.
They are self-motivated. They have the passion. They have that extra energy to really make it happen.
We are actually enabling freeing the energies of society which are caught up. Imagine these are our brothers and sisters.
They have an ability, they have a capability for that one. They can perform if space has been given to them.
सार्थक की ट्रेनिंग के बाद मेरे अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल हाई हुआ। अब मैं किसी से भी अच्छे से बात कर सकता हूँ। वी मार्ट में मैं जॉब कर रहा हूँ। वी मार्ट में कितना भी बड़ा कस्टमर आए उसको अच्छे से मैं हैंडल कर सकता हूँ। कोई हेजिटेशन, कोई घबराहट नहीं होती। अब मैं अपनी जॉब से बहुत खुश हूँ। सार्थक को तहे दिल से मैं थैंक यू कहना चाहता हूँ, मुझे रास्ता दिखाया।
We wish to take small steps one after the other and work rigorously on improving the quality of work that we do.
If we can do it, I'm sure everybody can do it. And I don't see a reason why we should not increase this number or let the industry understand that this number should go up.
I can share the experience of companies that what they are telling us now, that give these people in buckets.
Over the next 2 years, the intention is to take it to 300 plus people.
We need to remember, all said and done, they are specially abled.
Get them respect and the livelihood in the society.
Let the disability not be so magnified, you know, that it kills the ability of that other person.
It's time we broke our own barriers, broke our own blocks, looked at the whole world in a much more inclusive manner.
Dear Dr. Agarwal, your commitment is heartening, is wonderful and is appreciable. I would really like to thank you for your efforts in not only overcoming your own personal challenges and being that hero, but also bringing out the hero in other persons with disabilities.
The vision of Sarthak is to empower persons with disability by giving them employment and a life of dignity and integrity. The mission of Sarthak is to create job opportunities in all the sectors for all the persons with disability.